Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed guide on addressing pin issues with the ASUS GU603Z. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the necessary steps to diagnose and repair these problems effectively. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spanner set, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Having a clean workspace is essential, so make sure your area is tidy and well lit. Begin by powering off your ASUS GU603Z and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any further damage to the device. Once powered down, carefully remove the back cover using your Phillips screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping any screws. With the back cover removed, you will have access to the internal components. Look for the pin connectors that may be causing issues. These are typically located near the battery and motherboard. If you notice any corrosion or dirt, use a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol to clean the area gently. This can often resolve connectivity issues. If the pins appear bent or damaged, you may need to realign them. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully adjust the pins back into place. Be cautious during this process, as excessive force can lead to further damage. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Once you have addressed the pin issues, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully replace the back cover, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. It's important to double-check that no screws are left loose, as this can lead to further complications. After reassembly, power on your ASUS GU603Z to test if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, it may be indicative of a deeper issue within the device. In such cases, we recommend our collection and delivery service at your home, allowing you to avoid the hassle of calls and travel. Before proceeding with any repairs, we always provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. This way, you can make an informed decision about how to proceed with your device. In summary, addressing pin issues on the GU603Z involves careful disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly. Always prioritize safety and take your time with each step. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Thank you for following along with this guide, and we hope your ASUS GU603Z is back to working order soon. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.